Let's take a quick look at the Apiuek electric high-pressure washer. This portable power washer packs a serious punch with its 14.5 amp motor, generating up to 3,800 psi and 2.4 GPM water flow rate. What I really like is the versatility. It comes with 4 quick connect nozzles for different cleaning tasks, plus a foam cannon for extra scrubbing power. The pros are the outstanding cleaning force to blast through tough grime, the multiple nozzle options for customized pressure, the convenient foam cannon, and the 3 different water intake methods for flexibility. It's also compact and mobile for easy outdoor use on patios, cars, fences, and more. The only minor con, some users noted, is that the hose could be a bit longer for maximum reach without moving the unit. Overall, I'm impressed by the raw power and versatility of this electric pressure washer from Apiuek. It delivers professional-grade cleaning performance in a portable, affordable package, ideal for all your outdoor cleaning needs. Click the link in the description to bring this heavy-duty cleaning machine home.